I'm going to be showing you how to diagnose and fix this Vizio TV. When I plug it in, all I get is a steady white light. That's actually not normal. What we want to see is the light flashing for a minute and then go away. Only then can we turn on the set. So let's open it up and diagnose it. And the first thing we want to focus on is our main board. I'm going to be using this hot air gun. You can use a hair dryer if you want to apply heat to this area.
We are heating up the heatsink, but are actually targeting the processor below it. Heat causes expansion. Since we commonly see microfractures in the solder connecting the processor to the circuit board, heating it will expand the joint, temporarily reconnecting the chip to the board.
Let's plug it back in and see what we get. So now it is starting to flash. Let's wait for about a minute. Okay, and it just stopped flashing, so let's go ahead and power it on. And we have picture. The next problem we have, now that we've confirmed that the main board is the issue, is that these boards are no longer available for sale. So I'd like to thank the sponsor of this video today, myself, Nick's Electronics Repair. We offer a flat rate repair service for these main boards. All you need to do is go to our website, purchase the service, and follow the email shipping and packaging instructions. All of our repairs come with a 1-year warranty, and you can use this coupon code below for 5% off your first purchase. Now let's take this one step further. I want to show you exactly how to fix this problem. The first thing we want to do is remove the Faraday cage off of the main board. It is soldered on, so we'll have to desolder it. Now we can flip it over and slowly wiggle it out. There we go. And now we can desolder the heatsink over the processor chip. All right, heatsink removed. I'm now going to be handing this board over to my tech Juan for the actual repair. Juan, if you'd be so kind as to reflow this board for me.
Reflowing the board means heating up the board from both the top and bottom beyond the solder's melting point. This will get rid of the cracks and renew the joints.
Now that we've completed the repairs, we're going to want to add some brand new thermal paste. This thermal paste is a little bit better than the original. It is the MX-4, and now we can solder the heatsink back on. Let's bring it back to the TV. Let's put it back in the TV. This time around, we did not heat up the main board, so let's plug it back in and see what we get. Okay, and we get our initializing, and we get our logo, and we get our picture on screen. If you found the video helpful or useful, make sure to leave us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.